Hello viewers, welcome to May-June 2018 WAEC, also known as WASSCE, Past Questions and Detailed Solution. General Mathematics, Mathematics Core Paper 2, Part 1. This part contains 5 questions, 1 to 5, and you are asked to answer all questions in this part. Solution to 5 questions in one video. Question 1. A used car was purchased at 900,000 naira. Its value depreciated by 30% in the first year. In each subsequent year, the depreciation was 22% of its value at the beginning of that year. If the car was bought 1st March 2011, calculate correct to the nearest 100 naira the value of the car on 28 February 2015. Solution. As at 1st March 2011, the cost price of the car is 900,000 naira. In that the same year, the value of depreciation is 30%. So you calculate 30% of 900,000, and that gives 270,000 naira. Now, price at the end of first year. End of first year is February 28, 2012. That is when 1 year will come to an end. So the price at the end of first year is 900,000 minus depreciation of 30%, and that is 270,000, and that reduced to 630,000 naira. Beginning of second year, 1st March 2012, this is the current price from the end of the previous year, and in that year depreciation is 22%. So you calculate 22% of 630,000 naira, and that is 138,600 naira. Price at the end of second year, that is February 28, 2013. You subtract the value of depreciation from the current amount, and that reduced to 491,400 naira. So the beginning of third year, that is 1st March 2013, beginning of third year, 1st March 2013, this becomes the correct price of the car before we remove the depreciation. So this is the price at the beginning of third year. You also calculate 22% depreciation of that price, and that gives 108,108 naira. So price at the end of third year, the end of third year is February 28, 2014. So you also subtract this amount from the current amount, and that gives this. Beginning of fourth year is 1st March 2014. This is the current price. You calculate 22% depreciation and also remove it at the end of fourth year. So this is the amount of depreciation for fourth year at the end of fourth year. That is February 2014. 8, 2015. So you subtract depreciation from the current amount, and that is 298,967 naira 76 kobo. We don't have any other year, so the end of fourth year also give us the beginning of the fifth year, because we are asked to find the correct price as at 28 February 2015, and this is the price. So the nearest 100 naira, we consider this, because this number, this 7 is unit, 6 is tens, and 9 is 100. So you look at 6, you add 1 to 9, it becomes 10. Put that 0, you carry 1 to 8, it becomes 9. So you have 299,000 naira as the price of the car as at February 28, 2015. Question 2a. The graph of y equal to 2ps squared minus p squared s minus 14 passes through the point 3, 10. Find the value of p. So this is the graph, or what is plotted, the equation precisely. So this point that the curve passes through simply implies s equal to 3, y equal to 10. If you replace s with 3, y with 10 in the equation, you get the value of p. So you have 10 equal to 2p s squared, then implies 3 squared minus p squared times s equal to 14. So you have 10 equal to 18p. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2p, you have 18p minus 3p equal to minus 14. Transfer all the terms to the left hand side so that we can have a proper quadratic equation. So you start by transferring minus 3p squared, it becomes plus 3p squared. You transfer plus 18p, you have minus 18p, already plus 10 is there, so you have plus 10. You transfer minus 14, you have plus 14 equal to 0. Therefore 3p squared minus 18p plus 24 equal to 0. You can divide through by 3. 3 is common, so you have p squared minus 6p plus 8 equal to 0. Next thing is to factorize. To factorize, look for two factors of 8 that the sum is minus 6 in p and the product is 8. Such factors must be minus 4, minus 2. You write the factors in terms of p, that is minus 4p minus 2p, and replace the middle term with them. So you have p squared minus 4p minus 2p plus 8 equal to 0. The purpose is to have 4 terms so that you can factorize by grouping. First 2 terms, first group, last 2 terms, second group. Ensure that the 2 groups are separated with a plus sign. From the first group, p is common. If you factor out p, you have p minus 4 in the bracket. From the second group, minus 2 is common. If you factor it out, you have p minus 4 in the bracket equal to 0. Clearly, p minus 4 is common. If you take it out again, you have p is remaining here and minus 2, which form the second bracket, and you equate both to 0. You equate each factor to 0, that is p minus 4 equal to 0 or p minus 2 equal to 0. If you transfer the constant terms respectively, you have p equal to 4 or 2. Question 2b. Two lines 3y minus 2s equal to 21 and 4s and 4y plus 5s equal to 5 intersect at point Q. Find the coordinates of Q. Solution. The coordinate of Q can be obtained solving the equations simultaneously using elimination method. By solving the equation simultaneously, so you have equation 1 and 2. Now I want to eliminate variable s. To do that, variable s must have the same coefficient in both equations. Already they are 2 and 5. The LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. To achieve 10, you multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 2. That gives 15y minus 10s equal to 105. And the second equation becomes 8y plus 10s equal to 10. The signs of the coefficients are different in both equations. To eliminate s, you simply add. When the signs are opposite, you add. When the signs are the same, you subtract. So if you add, you have 23y equal to 115. To get y, divide both sides by 23 and y is equal to 5. To get s, you have to substitute y equal to 5 into equation 1. This is equation 1. Anywhere you see y, you replace it with 5. So you have 3 times 5 minus 2s equal to 21. So you have 15 minus 21. If you transfer this 10 in and you transfer this one out, it becomes plus 2s. So you have minus 6 equal to 2s. Divide both sides by 2. S is equal to minus 6 over 2, and that is minus 3. The coordinates of Q are minus 3. Now you start with s first, sy. So you have minus 3 and 5. Question 3a. The diagonals of a rhombus are 10.2 centimeters and 9.3 centimeters long. Calculate, correct to 1 decimal place, the perimeter of the rhombus. So this is the rhombus. The two diagonals, you have AB and you have CD. So we denote AB as a first, that is 10.2, and CD as the second, 9.3. From here, we have S as a point of intersection. Now, the perimeter is the distance around the rhombus. If you are able to get this L and multiply it by 4, it serves us what we need. Now, let's consider, we want to get L. So let's look at triangle SCB. So in SCB, we need CS from CD. So if CD is 9.3, CS become half of it. That is 4.65. We also need SB. If AB is 10.2, SB, that is equal to AS, is 5.1. So you have L squared hypotenuse is equal to squared plus 5.1 squared. If you evaluate, you have s squared equal to 21.6225 plus 26.01. If you add, you have 47.6325. To get L, you take the square root of both sides. So L is equal to square root of 47.6325, and that is 6.902 cm. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to 4 times 6.902, and that is 27.608. To 1 decimal place, the perimeter is 27.6 centimeters. Question 2b. Given that, 3b, question 3b. Given that sin s is equal to 3/5, 0 degrees less than s less than 90 degrees, find the value of 5 cos s minus 4 tan s. The given ratio sin s is defined as opposite over hypotenuse. So 3 is opposite, hypotenuse is 3. Now, for us to get cos and tangent, we need adjacent. So with the value for sin s, we obtain adjacent. This given rate means s is an acute angle, so we have a right angle triangle. This opposite is 3 because this is the angle we have. Hypotenuse is 5. Then we get adjacent using Pythagoras rule. You have 5 squared equal to 3 squared plus m squared. So you have 25 minus 9. 3 squared is 9. You transfer it, then equal to m squared. You have 16 equal to m squared. So m is equal to square root of 16, and that is 4. Now we get cos s. Cos s is adjacent over hypotenuse, that is 4/5. You get tan s, opposite over adjacent, 3/4. We can now compute 5 cos s minus 4 tan s. 5 cos s minus 4 tan s. That is 5 times 4/5 minus 4 times 3/4. 4 cancel 4. You have 5 cancel 5. You are left with 4 minus 3, and is equal to 1. That is the value of 5 cos s minus 4 tan s if sin s is equal to 3/5. Petakus simplified maths. If you are watching and viewing from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, like and share PSM videos. If you are viewing and watching from Facebook, follow and like the page. Also share PSM videos to get more updates from time to time. Question 4a. In the diagram, QOS is a diameter. Angle arrow QS is equal to s degree. Angle QST is equal to 3s plus 15 degrees. Find the value of s. That is, remember figure 1. Remember figure 2. Find angle arrow SQ. Solution. Because QOS is a diameter, angle QROS is 90 degrees. Angle in a semicircle. If we consider triangle QROS you have exterior angle and you have interior angle. So you have it that arrow QS plus Q arrow S equal to angle QST, exterior angle equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles. So you have S degrees plus 90 degrees equal to 3S plus 15 degrees. If you open the bracket there, you have S plus 90 degrees equal to 3S plus 15 degrees. Collect like terms, you take S to the right, 15 to the left, and you have 90 degrees minus 15 degrees equal to 3S minus S, and you have 75 degrees equal to 2S. Divide both sides by 2, so S is equal to 37.5 degrees. Now you are asked to find angle arrow SQ. That is this angle. You can do that in two ways. These two angles are on a straight line. Their sum is 180, or you add the three angles in the triangle. Their sum is also 180. Now if you got 2 in triangle QROS, the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. So you have ROSQ, what you are looking for, plus 90 degrees. Value of S is 37.5 degrees. So if you add these two angles, you have angle ROSQ equal to 127.5 degrees plus 127.5 degrees equal to 180 degrees. Collect like terms, angle ROSQ is equal to 180 degrees minus 127.5 degrees, and that is 52.5 degrees. Or you can take these two angles, you add them, the sum is equal to 180 angles on a straight line. Now angle QST is 3S plus 15 degrees and S is 37.5. So you replace S with what it stands for. If you multiply and add, you get 127.5 degrees. So angle ROSQ plus 127.5 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. You collect like terms or like angles. You have angle ROSQ equal to 180 degrees minus 127.5 degrees, and that is 52.5 degrees. Any of the approaches will produce the same result. Question 4b. If 2n4 base 7 is equal to 15n base 9, find the value of n. Here you simply convert both numbers to the common base 10, and to do that you multiply each digit by the respective base number, and you assign the position of each digit to the base. In the first number, position of 4 is 0, n is 1, and 2 is 2. Here you have 0, you have 1 and 2. So from the left hand side, you multiply each digit by 7. That is 2 times 7. The position is 2. You are attached to the base number plus n times 7 power 1 plus 4 times 7 power 0. The right hand side, you have 1 times 9. Position of 1 is 2. You have 9 squared plus 5 times 9. Position of 5 is 1. Then plus n times 9 power 0. If you simplify further, 7 square 49 times 2 is 98 plus 7n plus 4 equal to 81 plus 4 plus 45 plus n. If you add like terms both sides, you have 102 plus 7n equal to 126 plus n. Collect like terms, you have 7n minus n equal to 126 minus 102. You have 6n equal to 24. Divide both sides by 6 and n is equal to 4. Question 5a. If the mean of m, n, s, p and q is 12, calculate the mean of m plus 4, n minus 3, s plus 6, p minus 2 and q plus 8. From the first statement, the mean is simply addition of m, n, s, p and q and divide it by 5 because you have 5 letters and the mean is 12. So 12 is equal to m plus n plus s plus p plus q over 5. If you clear the fractions, you have 60 equal to m plus n plus s plus p plus q. Let's call that equation 1. Then you are asked to find the mean of m plus 4, n minus 3, s plus 6, p minus 2 and q plus 8. So the mean is simply adding them together and you divide by 5. There are also 5 observations and that is what you have here. So let's open the bracket. Open the bracket, you have the mean equal to m plus 4 plus n minus 3 plus s plus 6 plus p minus 2 plus q plus 8. So all the letters together, you have it in this form. If you add all the numbers, you have plus 13. Already in equation 1, from m to p is equal to 60. So you simply substitute equation 1 into equation 2. This is equation 2. From m to p is 60, so the mean is equal to 60 plus 13 over 5. That is 73 over 5. If you divide, you have 14.6. Question 5b. In a community of 500 people, the 75 percentile age is 65 years, while the 25th percentile age is 15 years. How many people are between 15 and 65 years? You must note that percentile divides the distribution into 100 equal parts. Total population in the community is 500. Now, 75 percentile of people simply means 75 over 100 times total population of 500, and that is 375. 25 percentile of people simply means 25 over 100 times 500, and that is 125 people. Number of people between 15 years and 65 years is equal to 375 minus 125, and you have 250 people. If you are not saved, here comes the chance for you to be saved. To do that, you have to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ and confess him as your Lord and personal Savior. If you are saved already, congratulations, live righteously and be prepared, because on the last day some will be taken and some will be left. Take good care of yourself, stay out of trouble, study your books, do the needful at all times, flee every appearance of evil, don't defraud others to make money, use your brain and your hands to work genuinely and legally, and the Lord will bless you. Do all you can to achieve your dreams, but don't deceive, don't hurt, and don't defraud others. Goodbye and stay tuned.